Here is the sign for find. Okay, use your dominant hand. I'm right-handed. We're going to make the letter F in the alphabet, like F, G, H, right? F. How do we make an F? Start like this. Put your thumb and index finger down so the tips are touching. Now we're going to put that F in front of us, right? Put it down a little bit. And when you're at the bottom, open up the index finger and the thumb so they're not quite touching, right? So they're down there. As you raise it up, bring them together, all right? So it'd be like that. Like that. So pretend there's a quarter or a coin down there on the ground. You grab it, you pick it up because you find it. Find. Find. From the side, find. From the other side, find. All right, from the front again, find. All right, starting from the rest position, sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Here we go. Find. 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 Okay, so remember the hand shape is the letter F. When you start, when you're at the bottom, it's open. When you get to the top, it's closed. All right, so find. Find. All right, we just talked about how to sign find. Here is the sign for lose. Okay, we're going to use the same hand shape, so we're going to use both hands. Now the starting hand shape is going to be the letters O, but squished down. So first, how do you make some O's? Well, go like this, fingers together. Bring all of the tips of the fingers together, and you have O's. Take those O's, squish them down, all right? There's still a gap in there, but they're just squished O's. Now put the fingertips together, right here. Put them down here, and now we're just going to let our hands drop down open. Lose. Lose. From the side, lose. Lose. From the other side, lose. From the front again. Okay, from the rest position, sign with me. Let's do it 3 times. Lose. Okay, quick review. The first hand shape is going to be the O that is squished, right? So we have the O's, squish them down, put the tips together, put them about here, just drop down into empty hands. All right, so the hand shapes down here, they're just kind of limp. You had something, but you lost it. Lose. Okay, we just talked about how to sign lose.